Moving critical patients to different levels has always been a difficult problem faced by a variety of hospitals. For example, for patients having cerebral hemorrhage, fracture, especially cervical vertebral and lumbar vertebral injury, general anesthesia surgery for these patients, etc. How do you move and transfer them in a stable and safe way? The traditional transfer method is lifting by doctors, nurses, and family members, which usually makes operators very tired and patients very sore. Any carelessness easily causes injury again and aggravates the unit. Sometimes the surgery needs to be redone. To overcome this problem, Ningbo Kaifat Medical Science and Technical Company Limited has developed and produced Medical Electric Transfer Vehicle of SE series after years of research. With a unique way of transfer, it allows patients to get on and off the operating table or hospital bed in a stable and comfortable manner without any moving done by other people. These not only ensure the safety of the patient during transfer, but also greatly decreases the intensity of labor performed by medical personnel. Operation method. To load a patient, first put down the guardrail on one side of the transfer vehicle with the moving plate extended. Then move the vehicle close to the operating table in parallel and push the brake down. Adjust the height of the transfer vehicle to make the moving plate slightly higher than the surface of the operating table. Press the load button on the head control to extend the moving plate and enter it under the body of the patient without any problem. During this process, the patient only needs to lie on their back and they don't have to move. Then press the In button to transfer the patient to the transfer vehicle. Release the brake and pull up the guardrail to transfer the patient. If one person moves the vehicle, the central guide wheel can be pulled down to control the direction. After arriving at the destination, first pull down the side with the moving plate extended. Retract the central guide wheel and then move it close to the hospital bed in parallel. Push the brake down and adjust the height. Press Unload button to unload patient in the hospital bed. Finally, press the Out button to draw out the moving plate without any problem, and leave the patient on the hospital bed without moving them. During the whole process of loading and unloading the patient only needs to lie on their back and doesn't need to move or be moved by people. This unique function ensures that critical patients are transferred in a safe and comfortable way, avoiding injury again due to improper moving and greatly decreasing intensity of labor performed by medical personnel, effectively protecting the physical and psychological health of the Angels in White hospital nurses.